Hiya, I'm Wemi from ToshCreations, and today I'm going to be showing you one of the techniques that I use to make flower buds from baby socks. It's a very simple technique, anyone can do it, and you end up with a flower bud like this. How cute is that? This one doesn't have a stem because that's another lesson where we learn about adding stems to flower buds. But all we're going to need today is just a baby sock and a piece of floral tape like this, stretchy floral tape, to use in making our flower bud or a sock bud. So I hope you stick with me and I'll see you at the end. Bye. So what you need for this is a pair of baby socks, a roll of floral tape, I've already cut a length from it that we're going to use, and of course a pair of scissors. So let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to lay the sock down with the toe facing towards you, and you simply fold it up and you start rolling it away from you, keeping a tight grip on it. You just roll it all the way up to the top. Already you can see that it's forming a bud. And then we take the floral tape to secure it. The good thing about floral tape is that it sticks to itself. It's quite stretchy. So you make sure one hand is keeping a tight grip on it and the other hand is pulling the floral tape as you go along. And there you go. One sock bud. Of course you need a stem for it to make it a proper flower, but that will be a lesson for another day. So thank you for sticking with me to the end, and I hope you've enjoyed what you've learnt. If you'd like to know more, if you'd like to learn all my techniques, all the secrets and tips in making your own baby bouquet, learn other techniques, I would love to hear from you. I'd love to help you out. My website is www.toshcreations.com. You can just fill in a contact form there, or you can send me an email at hello@toshcreations.co.uk, or you can leave a comment below this video, beneath this video. I run one-to-one classes where I teach people how to make baby bouquets. So we cover way more than sock buds. I basically teach you everything, how you can use different kinds of baby clothing to make different kinds of flower buds, how you can arrange the bouquet, how you can decorate it, how you gift wrap it. You get to ask me all your questions. There are more details in the link below on the website, and I'll see you next time.